I was at the fitness studio just early this morning, and I came across a lot of men and women, and I was meditating, and I saw a lot of women working hard to keep their body nice. And last time I traveled to the land called Turkey, I came across a lot of women that tried to make a lot of operation on their body to make their body look nice, for them to be beautiful. And all this is just to be able to get a man. I know majority part of women may say we go to fitness studio to just look healthy. It's okay, but most of the women makes operation on their body to just look good that they may get a man. It is still okay. I'm not judging you, but I came to ask you a question. As a woman making operation on your body to get a man, have you ever thought of making operation on your character that you may keep the man? Because I can speak for men. We men, we are often moved by what we see, but we getting a woman that is not a wife doesn't mean that we keep the woman. Now if you look at the Bible in the Christian world, the Bible says who finds a wife finds a good thing. So that means there are wives and there are women. So if you're a woman and all your life you've been trying to look good to get a man, and it has been difficult for you to keep the man, then I came to advise you that you should learn how to work on your character. You should learn how to operate your character, your behavior, your attitude. That is what makes us men keep a woman. We could go out there when we're still single and we could be attracted by how good you may look as a woman, but for us to keep you as a wife, we need a character. We need a good character, a good behavior, a good attitude. Who finds a wife finds a good thing, not who finds a woman finds a good thing. There are women and there are wives. And if you look at the African system, a man may say, oh, I found a woman and she has got a wife material. She's a wife material. So there are some attitudes and some character a woman needs to learn how to have as a wife, that she may be kept in a home. If not, men will continue using you and dumping you. Men will continue using you and dropping you. Men will continue using you, and then when they want to get married, they will go and look for a woman that has good character. God bless you.